Okay, fine. And now I'm going to explain beam with shear tabs. So it is the beam, and it is a front view of the beam we have. And for this, the first process is first I gave the horizontal. So I'll tell you it is the front view, and it is the top view, and these are the sections. So these are the sections with the shear tabs, and these are the plates. Okay, and here first thing what we will do is first we must take the horizontal dimension. This one we get automatically after giving the assembly drawings. We get this automatically, and then the next step is giving RD dimension. Giving RD, to get RD first you must click here. Take from here, you just take the horizontal dimension, you just take RD, you just load it, and then you click here the first point, and then drag it here to last point, and then we get RD. So I think in next video I will tell you how to take the running dimensions and all. For the meanwhile I just explain how to do this detailing of these shear tabs. Okay, and then you just give the horizontal dimension from start of steel, from top of steel to this hole. You just get the horizontal dimension, and you get the vertical dimension. Same thing you must do right side of the member, and then you take the sections, and then you take the section. So how to take section I said in the previous video. You just see that step so that you get the section. So these are the sections, and this is called the label view of this. So I just take it, and I just give the horizontal dimension and vertical dimension, and here we go for welding. So three sides weld we go. So in this way we must do the detailing of these members. And then see, for example, there are few specifications of the text size, and the text must be the Arial font, and size must be 1 by 8. Okay, and you can see the difference here. It is not the Arial font, so if you want to change the font, you just double click on this, and then here you get appearance. In appearance you just select the font. The font must be Arial. uh, I just type it Arial, and regular and 12. You just press OK. You just press modify, so the font just changes. So here it is same. And for labels also we have a specification. Here we can see the font size is different. To change the font, so this must be magenta with 3 by 16 height. So just double click on this, go to labels, and in labels go to mark A1, and see, in this way you just load label. So these are the different view names. So for example, if you want only A, remove this view name so that you get only A. If you want A plus A dash A, you just have to click both, and just say modify, so the font just changes. So how to do these settings I will tell you in separate video. Just for the time sake I'm just explaining how. See, I think the font changed, font not changed. You just go to label, you just go here, and Arial, I think font changed. Yes, font change, and font is changed. Yes, font is changed. No, font is not changed. So I just go label and go for here, and we just load. I already predefinedly and I saved it. Just load it 3 by 16, modify. Okay, so yes, now font is changed. Yes, now font is changed. So this is the way we do it, and these are the single parts of the particular member. I just gave the horizontal dimension in total, and then I gave horizontal dimension this point, this and this and this, so we get this point. And then horizontal dimension I lock out the holes, and then same thing I follow the vertical dimensions, and also I gave the radial dimensions, and this for cuts I gave the dimensions, I gave the horizontal and vertical dimensions. So in this way you can change, in this way you can do detailing. So if you want to change font size or anything, just do double click on this. In this way we must write it. See, in what fashion we want, we can we can change here. For example, uh, if you want for example, if you want part position to go up, you just do move up. So it just changes, you just modify, you just change. For example, if you want part position to go down, you just select detail of move up, just modify, so just change. So in this way we can we can do changes. So in this way we can do changes of whatever we want. And so same thing. So in this way we can do changes of whatever we want. And if we come to top, this is the top view, and in the top view also we must give, we must remove this center line, we must remove this center line, and orientation mark we must keep off. Okay. And then and then you just give the RD dimension for these two here plates. So this is a simple method of doing detailing of a shear tab. So one thing you must keep in mind, what you must learn is how to take sections and how to give this font size and how to give this weld size. So here also the weld is different. So I will tell you how to give the weld symbol. First of all, you just go to drawing. In drawing you go to weld mark, you just touch here and you just give, you get the symbols. For example, again I will show you. If you want to do few modifications, for example, if it is only single side, you just keep none, you just modify. See, you get, it is changed. For example, if weld is both sides, you just go for it, and just here you just apply, just modify, you just modify, apply. No, actually this is a different thing. And so in this way we can change them. In this way we can change it. For example, if you want to do well mark, think just also apply here. Just so in this way we can modify. And okay, that's done. So in this way we do changes and settings. So this is the simple method of doing detailing of extended shear tab. So one thing you must keep in mind, how to do these changings and how to give the font size, everything you must learn here. And weld marks, how to give weld marks, everything you must learn in this thing. And here we give elevation. So this is the simple outlook of extended shear tabs detailing in Tekla.